discuss our fifth question. In figure, if AB is parallel to CD, AB is parallel to CD, and angle APQ is equal to 50 degree, APQ is equal to 50 degree, and angle PRD is equal to 127 degree. We need to find X and Y. Okay. Solution. Given AB is parallel to CD, okay, angle APQ is equal to 50 degree and angle PRD is equal to 127 degree. To find X and Y, right? To find X and Y. Let us see now. Angle APQ is equal to PQR, alternate interior angles. Angle APQ is equal to angle PQR, okay, is equal to how much angle here? 50 degree, right? Okay, because alternate interior angles, alternate interior angles, right? See, also as AB is parallel to CD, angle APR is equal to angle PRD is equal to alternate interior angles. Okay, also angle APR plus angle PRD is equal to 127 degree. Okay, this is also alternate interior angles, right? Okay, here APR is equal to, it is not plus, is equal to angle PRD is equal to 127 degree, alternate interior angles, right? Okay, let us see now. APR is equal to, how it can you write here? 50 plus 5, right? 50 degree plus Y is equal to PRD. PRD is equal to 127 degree, right? 127 degree. Okay, see here, Y is equal to 127 degree minus 50 degree. Therefore, Y is equal to, we will get here, okay, we will get here 12 minus 5, that is also 7. Therefore, 77 degree. We get here angle Y, okay, 77 degree. Now we need to find out here angle. Already we find out X, right? That is APQ. APQ is equal to 50, I is equal to PQR is equal to 50 degree. I wrote here. Okay, let us see now. So therefore X is equal to angle APQ, okay, PQR. X is equal to APQ, okay, even X is equal to 50 degree, right? X is equal to 50 degree, and proved. Okay, this is right answer. Now let us discuss about sixth question. In figure, PQ and RS are two mirrors. PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. PQ is parallel to RS. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror, okay, PQ at B. The reflected moves along the path B to C, BC, and strikes the mirror R and S at C, and again reflects back along CD. Prove that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, let us, solution we have. Let us draw BM perpendicular PQ and here CN perpendicular CN perpendicular RS. Let us draw let us draw BM perpendicular PQ, CN perpendicular RS. Let us draw BM perpendicular PQ and CN perpendicular RS as PQ is parallel to RS. As PQ is parallel to RS. Therefore, BM is also parallel to CN. Okay. Therefore, BM is parallel to CN. Thus, BM and CN are two parallel lines and a transversal line BC, okay, cuts them at B and C respectively. Okay. Thus, BM and CN are two parallel lines, and a transversal line BC. Transversal line BC cuts them at B and C respectively. Here I will mention angles, okay? 1, this is 2, this is 3, and it is 4, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Now let us see. Angle 2 is equal to 3, right? Okay, alternate interior angles. 2 is equal to 3, alternate interior angles, right? However, 1 is equal to 2 because BM is perpendicular PQ and it bisects how many angles? 2 angles. Here also see CN bisects 2 angles, okay? That is 3 and 4, okay? Let us see. However, okay, by laws of reflection it is AB, BC and C to D, right? However, 1 is equal to 2, 2 is equal to 3. 2 is equal to 3, why? Because alternate angles, okay? Alternate interior angles, okay? 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 3, 3 is equal to 4. 3 is equal to 4 here, okay? Also, see here 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 4, right? See here 1 plus 2 that is ABC is equal to angle BCD. 3 plus 4 means BCD or DCB also you can take, okay? BCD, got it, okay? However, these are alternate interior angles, okay? Therefore, AB is parallel to CD, right? Therefore, these angles are alternate angles, that is angle ABC is equal to angle BCD, okay? These angles are alternate angles. Therefore, see here back along CD prove that Here I have to mention here 3 is equal to 4, 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 3 is equal to 4. Also that is 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 4 I have taken. So I will write here by laws of reflection. By laws of reflection. Got it? Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle BCD. These angles are alternate angles. Therefore,